Can you guys hear it? That's right, everybody. The mosquito guy is here. So, yeah. I don't know where the heck it is. Alright, I'm gonna cut, guys. Hold on, guys. What the hell? Hold on, guys. That's it. We're going outside. Oh! We're taking a flashlight. Mosquito hunting venture. There he is. Oh shit. There he goes. There he goes. This is a milithion. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Ooh. I thought he was coming this way when I saw the headlights like that. What if he just pops up right behind me? Damn. Woo! Uh-oh. Is he coming? Okay. Oh, yes, he is. Here he is. Oh, shit. Oh. There he goes. How cool is that, guys? We're not done yet. Hell no. That was awesome. He's going over there. One time I was just fucking waiting for him. All right. When I was going this way, I was getting more scared. Oh, he's coming this way, I think. I don't know. Yeah, every time he comes by, I always get adrenaline. All right, hold on, guys. Okay, I think he's coming. We'll see. No, buddy. It's just a guy. Nice car. Man, I can smell the malathion. Yeah, that's what Pasco County uses. Going crazy. It's bad. Yeah, it's bad. Oh shit. Getting spooky. Oh, come on, damn car. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna run back to the house. All right, ending the video, guys.